Ты не знаешь, где можно купить воздушный пластилин, который вот легко лепится, не пахнет, и у него очень яркая палитра? Я уже все обыскала. Действительно яркая палитра. Действительно легко лепится. И не пахнет. После всех проверок этот пластилин я точно могу вам порекомендовать к применению. А в описании под видео вы найдете скидку 5%. Скорее переходите.
Have you ever seen a meaner demeanor? They've got creepy teeth that could do with being cleaner. Vacant eyes that stare into your soul, and a cute little button on their butt unhole. Don't do it, don't take one home. No, don't do it, don't say we didn't warn you. F-U-G-G-L-E-R-S Smugglers. F-U-G-G-L-E-R-S Smugglers. Saw a fuggler eat a whole mop. Looked at me, said, "What, are you a cop?" Call them onions, they'll make you cry. Give them orange juice to make them run and hide. Don't do it, don't take one home. No, don't do it, don't say we didn't warn you.
F-U-G-G-L-E-R-S Smugglers. U-G-G-L-E-R-S Smugglers.
Odor armpit, stinky little feet, breath like old tuna, farts will clear out the streets. You wanna be one, it's easy you see, stick out your teeth and go on a crazy spree. Fuzzy, toothy, breath like pee, causing mischief is a guarantee. Don't do it, don't take one home.